Hello and welcome to the online viewing for number 84 Grove Road. This 3-bedroom mid-terrace property is available with no onward chain. Okay, moving into the property, we've got the hallway here with a built-in understairs storage cupboard, and then we can just look back at the vestibule area where we've got some nice original Minton tile flooring in there as well. So we've got 2 reception rooms and a kitchen on this ground floor, starting with the front reception room, which has a bay window to the front aspect. We've got wooden floorboards, built-in meter cupboards. Moving through to the second reception room, again, wooden floorboards, nice decorative fireplace, window to the rear aspect. We've also got a door where the stairs lead up to the first floor. Through to the kitchen, we've got a door out to the garden, 2 windows to the side aspect. We've got the wall-mounted gas boiler, along with the integrated cooker and hob. Then on to the first floor, and we've got 3 bedrooms and a bathroom up here, with the loft access just above us there on the landing. And into the main bedroom. Really nice sized room. This one with an aspect to the front of the property. And then through to the second bedroom. Here we've got some built-in wardrobes and an overstairs storage cupboard. We've got the old airing cupboard in the corner, and then a view across the rear garden. Got the bathroom, so we've got the wash basin, a bath with shower above, and then we've got the WC just in the corner there, and then into the third bedroom. So it's a smaller room here at the back of the property. And again, this one with an aspect to the rear. And then moving out into the rear garden, and we've got an attached outhouse here and additional storage area. And then we can just see the gated access, which is shared with next door, leading back out onto Grove Road. We've got a nice size flagged patio area, which leads down to the main lawned garden. We've got hedged and fenced boundaries. And that concludes the online viewing. So if you'd like to arrange a physical viewing, then please contact us at the office and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks very much. Bye for now.